Hello my dear friends, welcome to the quickest, the sharpest, the easiest, simple subject. Welcome to mathematics. Friends, we are continuing with lesson number 3, indices and cube root of standard 7 Maharashtra State Board. In our previous videos, we learned how to find out cube of a number. In that we categorized various cubes like how to find out cube of a number ending with 0, how to find out cube of a number which is in the form of decimal number, means how to find out cube of decimal digit, how to find out cube of negative number, how to find out cube of fraction, and how to find out cube of regular numbers, just multiplying itself 3 times. Okay. After that we learned how to find out cube root of a number by factorization method. In this we just have to factorize a number and make group of 3 and take one representative of that group of 3 out of the radicand sign and multiply it. That we learned in our last video. In this video we will see cube root of a decimal number, cube root of a number ending with 0, cube root of a negative number, and cube root of a fraction. Okay, let us see how to find out cube of a number ending with cube root of a number ending with 0. For example, the question is find out cube root of 216 ending with 3 zeros. Cube root of this number. So how will you find it out? Friends, we know the rule. If you are making cube of a number ending with 0, its zeros get tripled. Means if I have to find out cube of 30, then I just have to write cube of this 3, 27, and this 0 will get tripled, 1, 2, 3. Right? So same thing is going to be reversed in the case of finding cube root. I have to find out cube root of 216 ending with 0. So these zeros will get 1/3. So at the end of the answer your 0, there will be 1 0. Instead of 3 0, 1/3 of 3 is 1 0 will be there, and we just have to find out the cube root of the remaining number. Number is 216. So what is the cube root of 216? That is 6. So our answer is 60. Done. Let us see one more example. Suppose we have to find out cube root of a number 80 lakh. Okay. 80 lakh ending with 0, cube of a number ending with 0, zeros get tripled. So in cube root its zeros will get 1/3. How many zeros are there at the end? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1/3 of 6 means 6 divided by 3. Answer is equals to 2. There will be 2 zeros at the end of the answer. 1, 2. Okay. And then what we have to do? Find out cube of a number, remaining number. Find out cube root of the remaining number. Remaining number is 8. Cube root of 8 is 2. Finished. Clear? Now let us see how to find out cube root of a decimal digit. Once again, suppose the question is find out cube root of 0.064. Once again we are going to use our same rule which we have learned in our previous videos. How to find out cube of a decimal digit. While finding cube of a decimal digits, its decimal digits get tripled. For example, if we have to find out cube of 0.2, then its answer will be how many its answer will be, first we have to find out cube of 2, that is 8. How many decimal digits are there in the question? Cube root 1. So in its cube there will be 3 decimal digits. 1, 2, 3. Answer is 0.008. Right? So in cube of a decimal digits get tripled. So naturally in cube root of the decimal number, its decimal digits will get 1/3. So what we have to do? Find out the cube root of the given number. What is the number? Number is 64. So what is the cube root of 64? That is 4. Okay. Then how many decimal digits? 1/3 of the given number. How many are here? 1, 2, 3. 1/3 of the 3. 3 divided by 3. Answer is 1. So in your cube root there will be one decimal digit, means 0.4 is our answer. Done. Let us see with one more example. Suppose the question is find out cube root of 0.0000000512. We have to find out cube root of this number. Once again, what we have to do? In cube of a decimal number, decimal digits get tripled. So while finding cube root, process will be reversed. Decimal digits will get 1/3. Here, how many decimal digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So decimal digit will get 1/3. 1/3 of 9 means 9 divided by 3. Answer is 3. So in your answer there will be 3 decimal digits. Done. Now what is the decimal number? For that we have to find out the cube root of the given number. Number is 512. Cube root of 512 is 8. So your answer will be 8. But how many decimal digits will be there? 3. So let us adjust this 8 with 3 decimal digits. It will be 1, 2, 3, 0.008. Done. So this is the way how to find out cube root of a number ending with 0 and cube root of a number of a decimal number. Clear? Now let us see how to find out cube root of a negative numbers. Suppose your question is find out cube root of minus 743. Friends, we learn one rule. Cube of a negative number is always negative. Similarly, cube root of a negative number also will be always negative. Please remember, cube root of a negative number will be always negative. So what we have to do? We have to find out cube root of the given number. Cube root of 743 is 7. And as the given number is negative, its cube root also will be negative. So our answer is minus 7. Done. Let us find cube root of minus 1000. Cube root of negative 1000 will be equals to. What we have to do? Find out cube root of this 1000. Cube root of 1000 is 10. And cube root of negative number is always negative. So it will be minus 10. Is it easy? Right? Now let us move towards final part, that is find out cube root of a fraction. Suppose the question is find out cube root of 125 upon 27. Find out cube root of 125 upon 27. Friends, while learning cube of a fraction, we learned that to find out cube of a fraction, we have to find out cube of numerator separately and cube of denominator separately. So same procedure we have to do here. While finding cube root of a fraction, we have to find out cube root of numerator separately and cube root of denominator separately and write them into fraction form. Means first we have to find out cube root of 125. Cube root of 125 is equals to 5 and cube root of denominator 27 is equals to 3. So our answer is cube root of 125 upon 7 is equals to 5 upon 3. If we know the calculation or if we did the calculation in rough area, we can write simply the answer in only one step. Done. Let us see one more example. 1 upon 729. So what we have to do? We are finding cube root of a fraction. So let's write cube of a numerator at numerator. Cube root of numerator at numerator 1. What is the cube root of 1? 1 itself. So cube root of 1 is 1. Cube root of numerator I have written at the numerator. What is the cube root of 729? That is 9. So cube root of denominator is 9. Cube root of denominator I will write it at denominator. Finish. Got it? I hope you have understood it and enjoyed it. Thank you, friends.